Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to convert a Microsoft Word document to a Google Doc. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is locate the file. I'm just going to go ahead and actually save this to my desktop here. I'm just going to call it document and select save. You can close out of Word and you want to open up your Google Docs account and select the hamburger icon on the top left. This says main menu. Select Drive. And now you want to just drag and drop the file into the Google Drive. You should see something that says drop files to upload them to my drive. Go ahead and do that. It should say the upload is complete. And go ahead and open that up. See where it's saved in our Drive account, and if you open it up, you can see it's opening up in Google Docs, and give that a moment. And there you go, guys. Should be a pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.